FOAK to Noak, the $1.1 trillion market shift you're missing. The $1.1 trillion green carbon market just shifted from experimental to infrastructure grade, and most investors are still funding the wrong stage. Here's what the 2026 Global Green Carbon Market Report reveals and why it changes everything. The critical shift. The report dropped a critical insight. We're transitioning from first-of-a-kind to next-of-a-kind projects. FOAK means unproven technology, 60 to 70% failure rates, 10 to 15-year paybacks. Most climate funds are still here. NOAK means proven models replicating at scale, 85 to 90% success rates, 5 to 7-year paybacks. This is where the $1.1 trillion is moving. The data everyone's missing. While direct air capture is still FOAK, $600 to $1,000 per ton removal cost with massive energy requirements, nature-based infrastructure is already NOAK. $30 to $150 per ton removal cost, 117.1 metric tons CO2 verified removal per hectare, operational across 5+ countries. The technology gap isn't what you think. Bioeconomy's transition. Bioeconomy solutions moved from FOAK to NOAK in 2024. FOAK phase 2018-2023 proved the Paulownia model works, validated removal rates, established Zimbabwe pilot. NOAK phase 2024-2026 replicating across Nigeria, Mozambique, expanding to 8+ countries, aggregating $100 million portfolios with infrastructure-grade returns of 15 to 25% IRR. The investment shift. The investment paradigm shifted. 2020-2023, climate tech meant high-risk venture bets. 2024-2026, green carbon means infrastructure investment. Cost of capital dropping. FOAK requires 15 to 20% returns. NOAK needs 8 to 12%. Infrastructure grade accepts 6 to 10%. We're positioned at the NOAK to infrastructure transition. The Paulownia advantage. The report explicitly mentions Paulownia leapfrog as emerging biomass infrastructure. 40 to 60 tons CO2 per acre annually. We achieve 47.4 verified. Biochar as permanent carbon sink, 10 to 15 times faster than traditional forestry. The critical question. The question for institutional investors. Are you still funding FOAK experiments or deploying capital into proven, replicable NOAK infrastructure? We're not a pilot project, we're a scaling operation. Now it's your turn. The market moved from experimental to infrastructure grade. 7 revenue streams, 3 continents, 35+ year asset life. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this NOAK opportunity. Book a private consultation call to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com.